Just a... Actually, can you please just delete some stuff? Bro, I could just dye my hair in the back of the building right now and just wait. How'd you turn that? Hello. Oh yeah. Hello. This is you.
Just me and my twin in them.
This is you.
Just me and my twin in them.
Looks just like you. Hey yo. Should I put on some boy shorts? Underwear. Merca. Heidi Whitey's.
Gucci tidy whitey. Gucci tidy whitey.
Security. Yes. Gay kind of love. They're scrubs. Scrubbing these hands, I know. I wonder where Haley is. I wonder. Graduation outfits by the tidy whities. Welcome, friends. POV me and Sam. POV me and Sam. Harvest. Get thanks. Falling leaves. Falling gatherings. Happy fall, y'all. Pumpkin patch. Okay. POV me. Balance diet is a cookie in nature. Balance. Me. 4 minutes and it's still live in between the lines one time at a time. That haunts me in my nightmares. I hope you get lice. When I found out he's talking to other girls at the same time as he's talking to me. When he said he wouldn't use me, but he used me the whole time. Maybe because he texted me back after 3 months. Monkey. Monkey doesn't wear any pants. That's Haley. Me after I said I would stop eating, I just ate a whole cheeseburger. When somebody asks to hang out, but then they're not there. For real. Maybe because he said maybe because after he just said that he wanted to do to me. You want to be hot? He nervous because he said he wants to meet up. Because he wants to come over. God. I have to go poop. I don't want to be alone. Get a little break while Haley does a donkey. Oh my god, it actually reeks. Okay. Are they radical? Ow. Those are the ones. Those are the ones. My dad.
For night that'll pass. I just shit out my ass.